In today's video, I'm going to show you FunTV App Review 2025. Is it real or fake? Can you really earn money? FunTV promises users they can earn coins by watching movies, ads, or short dramas. The idea is simple. Collect enough coins, hit the withdrawal threshold about $5, then redeem via PayPal. On the surface, it looks like a typical watch content earn rewards app. However, deeper investigation raises serious doubts. Users and reviewers report that the app is overloaded with ads, not just occasional ones, but hundreds over short usage periods, making it hard to actually get meaningful coin balance build up. The conversion rate of coins to real money is very poor. You need millions of coins to reach that $5 threshold. When it comes to withdrawal, there is no credible verified payout proof. Some users say the withdrawal button exists, but upon attempting, nothing arrives. Others say withdrawal is pending forever. The app tells you withdrawal should take about 7 business days, but many think even that is optimistic. FunTV also uses bonuses and referrals aggressively, a typical pattern in low earning apps. For example, you're offered large referral coin rewards if people you refer watch many episodes daily for several days. But even these bonuses are unlocked only after conditions which are hard to meet. Ultimately, based on what I found, FunTV leans strongly toward being a scam or at best a very low return app. If your time, data, and patience are considered, the cost of effort is likely higher than what you'll ever withdraw. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.